Welcome to our presentation on iFixit's groundbreaking AI repair app launch. In a major move for the right-to-repair movement, DIY repair platform iFixit has just released a revolutionary mobile app featuring FixBot, an artificial intelligence assistant specifically trained to guide users through device repairs. This launch is particularly significant as it marks iFixit's return to Apple's App Store after being banned for an entire decade. The app was removed back in 2015 after iFixit published a teardown of an unreleased Apple TV developer unit. Now, with this AI-powered comeback, iFixit is transforming how consumers approach device repair. App features and availability. Let's examine what this app offers. Available for both iOS and Android, the app provides access to iFixit's massive library of over 125,000 repair guides covering more than 72,000 different products, from smartphones and laptops to home appliances and even cars. Currently, FixBot is completely free to use, though iFixit plans to introduce a tiered pricing structure. The paid enthusiast plan will cost $4.99 per month or $50 annually. This represents a major expansion of repair accessibility to everyday consumers. FixBot AI capabilities. This is where the technology gets really interesting. FixBot isn't just another generic AI chatbot. It's been specifically trained on millions of pages of iFixit's own repair documentation, datasheets, service manuals, specification tables, rather than generic internet data. This specialized training dramatically reduces the risk of inaccurate responses. As iFixit CEO Kyle Wiens explains in his blog post, you tell it what's happening, your phone dies at 30%, your washing machine won't drain, your mower sputters and stalls. It asks follow-up questions. It eliminates possibilities. It thinks out loud with you the way a master technician would until the diagnosis clicks into place. Users can describe problems through voice or text, and FixBot can even analyze photos of broken devices to identify issues and recommend specific solutions. Battery health monitoring. The app includes an innovative battery health monitoring feature. It tracks smartphone battery performance in real time, providing graphs showing battery deterioration over time and predicting exactly when replacement might be necessary. However, there's an important caveat for Apple device users. iFixit notes that accessing comprehensive battery data for iPhones remains challenging because Apple doesn't provide this information through public APIs. This limitation highlights the ongoing tension between consumer repair rights and manufacturer control over device diagnostics. App Store ban history. Now let's talk about the backstory. iFixit's return to the App Store is particularly noteworthy because of their decade-long absence. In 2015, Apple removed iFixit's app after the company published a teardown of an unreleased Apple TV developer unit. Apple banned iFixit's developer account entirely, citing terms of service violations. For 10 years, iOS users couldn't access iFixit's repair guides through a native app. Now, in 2023, iFixit has regained access, though interestingly, CEO Kyle Wiens' personal developer account remains banned. This timeline shows the persistent tension between repair advocates and manufacturers. Market impact and significance. This launch comes at a critical moment for the right-to-repair movement. With increasing legislative pressure on manufacturers to provide repair information and parts, iFixit's AI-powered app represents a significant advancement in consumer accessibility. The implications are substantial: increased consumer access to repair information, reduced electronic waste through device repairability, and a direct challenge to manufacturer control over repair ecosystems. This is not just another app, it's a statement about consumer rights in the digital age. Competitive advantage. What sets iFixit apart in this market? 3 key advantages. First, their extensive database of 125,000 repair guides for 72,000 products is unmatched. Second, their AI is trained specifically on repair documentation, not general internet content, making it more accurate for technical diagnoses. And third, iFixit has built brand authority over 2 decades as the leading independent repair resource. Unlike manufacturer-provided repair services, iFixit offers platform-agnostic support across multiple brands and device types. Whether you're fixing a Samsung phone, a Dell laptop, or a KitchenAid mixer, iFixit has you covered. Future outlook and conclusion. In conclusion, iFixit's AI repair app represents a significant leap forward in making device repair accessible to everyone. Key takeaways include iFixit's return to Apple's App Store after a 10-year ban, FixBot's guided repair assistance via multiple input methods, real-time battery monitoring with predictive maintenance, and a freemium model that makes basic repair help accessible to all. Most importantly, this launch demonstrates how specialized AI training on domain-specific data can create more accurate and useful assistance than general-purpose AI models. The future of repair is intelligent, accessible, and AI-assisted. Thank you for your attention. This presentation illustrates not just a product launch, but a significant moment in the ongoing evolution of consumer rights, repair accessibility, and practical AI application.